Okay, so I did the repeat one more time, and now I'm going to finish the last few stitches. So we're going to knit, yarn over, slip, slip, and knit. Yarn over, knit, slip, ooh, slip, slip, knit. On a purl, knit two together, and we're going to knit these last three. And the last row is going to be a purl row. So you're going to purl each stitch. Once I do my repeat of the 16 rows, I will come back and explain how many times I did the repeat to get to the length that I needed for the washcloth / dishcloth, however it may be used once it's finished. And then I will go over the very last row, because the 16 is not just, you don't just do the 16 and you're finished with it. So there are a few more steps, which is an additional row that is done once you have completed as many repeats as you needed. So if we're doing a sweater or whatever your project may be, you would need to finish it off with the last row. So I'm gonna just purl this whole row out. So once you have completed your 16 rows, and I'm trying to straighten this out, this is what the stitch looks like. So as you continue to repeat it, you will see you have the triangle here and you're gonna have the triangle there, and it's just gonna repeat, and it's gonna make a nice, beautiful pattern for you. So I'm going to do a few more repeats of this. I'm thinking that I would need to do maybe 3 or 4. 3 may be just what I need. So I'm gonna do 3, come back and show you what it looks like at the 3. And if I think that the 3 is good, then I won't continue with the 4th. And then we'll do the last row to close everything up. Okay guys, so I did 2 more rounds of 16, and this is the length of the dishcloth. Well, dishcloth or washcloth, whichever you choose to make yours. I'm actually running out of yarn, so I'm going to get this green and just tie it so you guys will be able to see what it is that I'm doing. I've changed my camera angle around so I can try to get this in as close as possible, but trying to do it with this tripod and my phone is just not working out so much, so I do apologize for that. Let me try to move this down some. Okay, and let's hope that this thing stays in focus, or that my hand stays in focus. So for that last row that I told you guys about, you are going to purl 3. So we're going to purl 1, purl 2, purl 3. We're going to knit 2 together. And I know it looks like my hand is ashy, but I was making soap and that's clay. So, oh well, we'll just have it look like I'm ashy. I don't care. So we're going to knit, then we're going to yarn over. Our repeat row is going to be a knit, yarn over, knit, slip, slip, knit, purl 5, knit 2 together, knit, and yarn over. So we're going to do that again. We're going to knit, yarn over, knit, slip, slip, knit, purl 5, knit 2 together, knit, yarn over, and you're going to repeat that one more time, and then we'll do the last few stitches together. Okay, so for the last few stitches, it'll be in green, and you guys will definitely be able to see it. You want to knit, yarn over, knit, slip, slip, knit, and then you're going to purl 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For my last 2 rows on this cloth here, I'm just going to knit 2 rows the same way I started with knit here. And then I will post a picture of the finished look, which is going to look kind of crazy because I have this neon here, but unfortunately I ran out of the blue and I don't have any more. I am disappointed in that, but what else can I do here? They don't have any more of the color, and yeah, it is what it is. So I'll show you guys my cloth, and hopefully you guys didn't run out of any color for your stuff. But if you did, hey, it's all a part of creativity is how I look at it. All a part of the creativity. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and definitely let me know how your project turned out. Post pictures of your project. I would love to see it. And hopefully in the next video, I have a better angle than what I do with this tripod. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, comment, and let me know your thoughts. If you guys have any ideas for how I can do this tripod with the phone without going to go buy a mini tripod, please let me know. Give me some insight here, because I'm missing out. Okay, guys, so I don't really like this with the green. I don't. But it doesn't take away the fact that this is a very nice pattern. So if you do make this dishcloth, washcloth, just make sure that you have the same color, or you're already mixing in colors, because I don't like how this came out. But I didn't want to take away from showing you guys the video or posting this video, because as I said, this is still a very nice pattern, and you still can make this without making the same mistake that I did. So again, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I didn't want to just post a picture because I had some more room on my camera phone to show you guys this cloth here. So I didn't finish binding this off. I'm really debating on if I want to even take this out, because I'm so irritated about this green here, because it is creativity, don't get me wrong, but this right here, I don't really like it too much. So I don't know what I want to do exactly. I haven't figured that out yet. I may just, I don't know, I may take it out and then just bind off what I had instead of creating the extra two. As I said, we'll figure it out. But yes, I hope you guys like this pattern. I really, really love this pattern. Oh my gosh, this is really beautiful, and it's definitely a different and unique washcloth. Especially if you have company over, your guests can use this cloth and, you know, just be amazed by your stitch work. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video despite my mistake. And hey, it was a learning experience for both of us. So thank you for tuning in again. And my quote for today is going to be, "Believe you can and you're halfway there," by Theodore Roosevelt. Have a wonderful day.